Hi, anong pangalan mo?
I'm Rain Andy po.
It wasn't a perfect performance and oo naman, may mga bagay-bagay na kailangan ding ayusin and I think these are the right people for you.
Yes po.
I'm sorry I didn't turn around for you. I think you're very good. It's just that I'm forming a team. Ang tingin ko parang meron akong ibang hinahanap.
I enjoyed the song choice.
Thank you po.
At tama si Coach Leia, it was not a perfect performance.
Yes po.
In my, but note-wise naman, okay naman eh. Overall delivery mo. I thought it was a little too much. Yung pagka-drama ng kanta, emotion, you don't have to sort of dress it up. It'll just come. I will help you navigate that.
Tama si Coach Bamboo, nag-agree ako sa sinabi niya. Parang na-overstyle ng konti yung ginagamit mo yung, pero ang ganda na naturally ng boses mo. Tumutugtog ka pa ng gitara, so yan ang hinahanap ko para buuin ang team ko.
Thank you po.
Meron na lang akong papakilala sa'yo. May bisita tayo ngayon.
Nice to meet you.
Ay, may bisita. Sino?
Oh my God!
Hello!
Hello po.
Ako si John Lloyd. Mabuhay ka. Hello, guys! Hi, coaches! Hi, Sarah!
Ay, sandali. Ay, Sarah, pwede na ako sumali sa Team Sarah ngayon.
Anyway, going back to you. Anong feeling?
Na-overwhelm po ako na
Alam mo ba yun yung unang-una ko natutunan sa gitara?
sample nga po.
Ah, wow!
Yan! May hidden talent din pala to?
Eh, naku, Mami, may John Lloyd ka na, may Sarah ka pa, may Bamboo ka pa.
This will be fun.